Hello everyone, it's Anthony from Micropigmentation Academy. I have one of my clients here. This is his third session of SMP. It's more of a detailed session here, and always keep in mind less is more in this type of procedure. But I'm going to show you some really close-up work of mine, and hopefully this will capture the detail. I have to put my eye loop on here, and then let's see if we can. This is when it's very difficult for you to tell the difference between their actual hair follicles and what I created. The results here were achieved utilizing my new patent pending 2RL needles called True Follicle. I developed them over the years, and they're finally released, and you can purchase them now through our website. But as you can see, the replication is unmatched, creating the utmost flawless work, as you can see here. If anybody's interested about the service or training, most definitely visit my website. My trainings are very intensive and comprehensive when it comes to SMP. I live, eat, and sleep SMP. So, as you can see, not one blowout, and you can see every single hair follicle that I created. But he wanted a little bit more of a sharper edged, not super sharp, but sharp enough, age appropriate wise. And again, and then this is where he has some actual existing hair follicles of his, and then I recreated them all through here and basically connected everything. You guys have a great Friday. Ciao.